Bubba, and what happened then? Charlie, and what happened then? Tell me all about it. Did you get it? Really? How'd you work that out? How'd you work that out? Really? What did you do then? I don't believe you. You keep telling me a story. Go on. No. Did it really? What happened next in your story? Yeah? Bubba, tell me what happened then. What happened then? Huh? Oh, can we see your little tooth? Can we see your little tooth in there? No, it's very hard to see because you keep putting your hand in the way. Hey, can we see it for the nanas? There it is. Mummy can see it. See that little white thing? That little white thing? Got a snotty nose. Hey. This is Charlotte's new bear suit. Snug as a bug in a rug. Hey, Bubba. And you keep talking? What did you do then? Really? Really? I need to get you something to chew on. Okay, then.